Trying to find the right vinyl cutter can be confusing. At least that's how I felt when I compared the Graphtec and Summa cutters in our showroom. So I spent some time researching and talked to both manufacturers. I also tested each cutter to find out why you might want to buy one over the other. Today I'll point out the differences in technology and give you a few things to consider when buying a Graphtec or Summa cutter. We have both the Summa S-Class 2T and the Graphtec FC9000 54-inch cutters here in our Chicagoland showroom. One of the things you will hear or read about when comparing these machines is tangential mode and drag knife mode. Tangential is most important for cuts with very fine detail or thick, difficult to cut materials. Not all jobs will require this level of detail, and you will pay more for a cutter with tangential cutting capability. The Summa S2T we have uses a tangential knife, and the Graphtec FC9000 uses a drag knife. What's the difference? Essentially, a drag knife cutter never picks the blade up from the media. It's freely rotating within the knife holder, and it will make an overcut at either each corner of the design or just at the start and end points. In a tangential cutter, the blade orientation is controlled by an electric motor, and it will pick up from the media, rotate, and cut again, leaving no overcuts. Typically, this type of knife is used on flatbed cutters to cut rigid materials. So it works really well at cutting thick rolls of media like traffic signage and sandblast material. It also handles fine text and complex designs really well. Drag knife seems to be best suited for thinner media like window graphics, cut vinyl, banners, and stickers. On thicker materials, you can sometimes see deviations in where the overcut was made, but that's why Graphtec gives you the option to only make an overcut at the start and end point. Another big thing to consider is your workflow if you're going to do kiss cutting and die cutting in the same job. The Summa tangential cutter will alternate between these two modes without any interference from you. The Graphtec will first make the die cuts, and then you must manually rotate the blade for it to complete the kiss cuts. You'll have to decide whether that moment of rotating the blade is an interruption or not. Graphtec does perform better when it comes to accurate, long tracking, which you might want if you're cutting lengthy panels or hundreds of designs in one job. Graphtec can track for 50 feet by using a cut by segment tool that detects media movement, while Summa can track for 39. Still, we'd recommend sending your jobs in 10-foot segments in case something external interrupts it so you don't have to start over. Both of these machines use barcode systems to read the jobs. However, Summa's barcode system connects between multiple devices, which could be beneficial if you have their flatbed cutters as well and you're looking for a twin workflow. Lastly, let's talk about their warranties and support. Graphtec offers a 3-year warranty and Summa offers a 2-year. Both cover parts and labor, but you must ship or transport your machine to an authorized servicing dealer at your own expense. We'd recommend keeping the box your cutter came in, just in case you have to do this. As far as support, both manufacturers have technical teams you can call. Graphtec does a great job of putting resources online. They have video guides, manuals, and quick references at your disposal. All in all, both Graphtec and Summa make excellent cutters. If you need fine precision cuts or use thick materials, we think you'll find paying a $2,500 premium with the Summa S2T series will give you the best results. If you are producing stickers or cutting vehicle wraps where there are not tiny intricate cuts, then you should consider the Graphtec FC9000 or the Summa D series. We'd love to answer more questions and help you find the right cutter for your business. Give us a call, better yet, schedule a visit to our demo center and get hands-on with both of these cutters. If you found this helpful, please like this video. If you have additional thoughts, leave a comment below and we'll reach out.